Welcome back. Ready to move beyond theory and gain real-world experience? Introducing the MyThorneAI work simulation feature. Explore a growing library of career-focused simulations designed by industry experts across multiple fields and professions. Browse categories, discover roles that match your interests, and choose a simulation that aligns with your career goals. Each simulation provides a realistic workplace scenario, giving you the opportunity to practice skills used in actual job environments. Before you begin, review the project overview, expected outcomes, and key skills you'll develop throughout the experience. Follow a structured learning journey with step-by-step tasks that mirror real responsibilities in the workplace. Read the project brief, understand the business context, and learn exactly what's expected before starting each task. Use the provided tools, resources, and guidance to complete activities, solve challenges, and build confidence along the way. Track your progress, strengthen your practical skills, and gain hands-on experience that helps prepare you for career success. Start your work simulation today at MyThorneAI.